Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Fuma. This is the second of the trilogy. First, of course, was the Amazon Basin. Fuma came along second, and the third one in this line is going to be the Anaconda. What we're trying to do is showcase the tobaccos that we received from Brazil. Of course, the Basin is going to be a sweet tobacco. The Fuma tobacco is going to be a spicy tobacco. So we're trying to highlight the spiciness of the tobacco. If you look at the lines, the blends are virtually the same, but the proportions of the blends are different. So we're just trying to highlight the spiciness to this cigar. Because the access to this tobacco, we can only make about 10,000 boxes every go around. So if you find it, pick one or two up and enjoy it, because once it's gone for a long time. So I think you're going to enjoy the cigar if you pick it up and find it.